Hello, my name is Crystal, and I'm here to tell you about my proposal for my calendar website called CapCut. So, as a freshman student, I was not used to college and I was overwhelmed by the amount of work that I had to do academically. And on top of that, I didn't realize how much work and social life will add on to that stress. I became overwhelmed, overloaded, and extremely tired all the time to the point where I slept in my classes. And apparently, I'm not alone. According to a few stats that I gathered, 89.9% of undergraduate students admit to procrastinating on their assignments. And a lot of these times, they can lead to negative effects. For example, about 25% of students who procrastinate witness worse physical health. Procrastinators also tend to do worse in school, leading them to have a 2.2% lower GPA on average. There's many reasons why people procrastinate. However, I found Jennifer Chow, a business professor at Seoul National University, put it down real well in 4 procrastination effects. And so these are reasons why people procrastinate. So the first one's outcome satisfaction, just when somebody chooses to do a certain task because they prefer it over another. And then the second one is preference for pressure. Some people need the extra stress of doing assignment really close to the deadline to actually start on it and feel more motivated to do it. And then intentional decision. Let's say you have a friend visiting from out of state and you have an assignment. Because you rarely see that friend, you want to hang out with them more. And the last one is ability to meet deadlines. And so with ability to meet deadlines, let's say you have an assignment like an essay to write, you have 7 days to do it. However, you choose to do it the last 2 days towards closer to the end of the week. So the 4 factors doesn't seem right or wrong, right? They do make up our decisions on what to work on. And a lot of times, we sometimes choose to make bad decisions and they just build up and we continue to make them. And this quote from Amy Novanteni from American Psychological Association puts this really well. It's being procrastination, a tough habit to break, particularly these days when the internet allows students to escape dissertation writing frustrations with the click of a mouse. However, there is one way to combat this, and it's if students get better at time management. So a stat that in terms of children or students doing better is how students who effectively manage their time are 1.7 times more likely to graduate within 4 years. However, it looks like not a lot of students manage their time wisely, because if you look at the stats, only 17% of college students report using a daily planner. So ClassiCal is pretty much a calendar website backed by ChatGPT that allows students to optimize their week and get better at time management. By utilizing prompts in ChatGPT based on their needed daily tasks, events, and goals, students are able to create a well-balanced schedule. The website will also guide students on how to use the chatbot safely and also add disclaimers on what to do, like not putting your personal information to the chatbot, and also give like example prompts that they could follow. In terms of stakes, not going with this project would be a disservice to students and not give them the opportunity to learn how to balance their time wisely. And so these are a few AI generated images that will inspire my website. So pretty much I just asked for calendar and checklist generated images. And so the calendars pretty much have a lot of rows that are designated for days. And a lot of them, especially the second one, have colors that distinguish the days from each other, which I like for aesthetics and also just for functionality. And if you look here at the checklist, because I do want to make a checklist for the different prompts people could ask and also the categories for the calendar, you have also a similar thing with rows and also columns for each of the tasks. And so this is the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching it. And yeah.